Winter driving can be brutal. Icy roads, reduced visibility, and unpredictable weather make accidents more likely than ever. But here's the problem most drivers don't realize. Regular dash cams fail when temperatures drop. The lithium batteries inside simply can't handle the cold, leaving you without protection when you need it most. That's why today, I'm showing you the 5 best dash cams specifically engineered to survive harsh winter conditions. Let's get into it. Starting strong at number 1, we have the VIOFO A229 Pro Duo dashcam. This beast comes with dual Sony Starvis 2 sensors, the IMX678 for the front and IMX675 for the rear. What does that mean for you? Crystal clear 4K footage from the front and sharp 2K from the back, even in the worst winter conditions. The real game changer here is the supercapacitor. Unlike regular batteries that die in the cold, this thing operates flawlessly from 5 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 149 degrees. I've tested plenty of dash cams that just refuse to turn on after sitting in a frozen parking lot overnight. The Sony Starvis 2 sensors are incredible for night driving during those long winter evenings. We're talking 2.5 times better dynamic range and light sensitivity compared to the original Starvis. That means less noise, less motion blur, and you can actually read license plates even when cars are zooming past you in snowy conditions. You get 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, which is way faster than the 2.4 GHz most dash cams use. Transferring videos to your phone takes seconds, not minutes. Plus, there are 12 voice commands, so you can lock important footage or take photos without taking your hands off the wheel. Now, here's the one thing to consider. The GPS module supports 4 different satellite systems, which is amazing for accuracy, but it does add about $50 to the price compared to basic GPS units. However, if you want pinpoint location data for insurance claims, it's absolutely worth it. Check the link in the description box for current pricing and availability on Amazon. Coming in at number 2 is the Vantrue N4 Pro dashcam. We're talking true 4K from the front, 1080p inside your cabin, and 1080p for the rear, all recording simultaneously. The dual supercapacitors in this unit are serious business. They handle temperatures from -14 degrees to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. I've had this running through multiple winter seasons, and it's never once failed to start, even after sitting in sub-zero temps for days. What separates this from other 3-channel cams is the Starvis 2 technology in the front camera, which maintains 4K quality in all recording modes. The interior camera has 4 IR LEDs and an f1.8 aperture, so even in complete darkness, you can see everything happening inside your vehicle. This is perfect if you do rideshare or just want that extra security. The viewing angles are massive. 155 degrees front, 165 degrees inside, and 160 degrees rear. Combined with the always-on Wi-Fi and GPS tracking through the Vantrue app, you have a complete surveillance system for your vehicle. One thing to keep in mind, because you're recording 3 channels in high quality, this setup eats through SD card space pretty quickly. You'll want at least a 128GB high-endurance card, preferably 256 GB if you do a lot of driving. Number 3, Rexing V1 4K Ultra HD dashcam. Now, if you're working with a tighter budget but still want solid winter performance, the Rexing V1 is your answer. This is one of the most popular dashcams on Amazon, for good reason. It delivers 4K quality without breaking the bank. The supercapacitor handles extreme temps from -20 to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. That's actually a wider range than some cameras that cost twice as much. The low-profile design is another plus. It sits behind your rearview mirror and basically disappears. The 170-degree ultra-wide lens captures everything, and the WDR technology does a great job of balancing exposure. When you're driving into the sunrise or sunset reflecting on snow, the camera automatically adjusts so you're not getting washed-out footage. Wi-Fi connectivity lets you view and share videos through the mobile app instantly. The GPS logger tracks your route, speed, and location using Google Maps integration. Plus, the parking monitor mode automatically activates when it detects vibration, recording 20-second clips if someone bumps your car while you're away. For many drivers, front-only is perfectly fine, but it's worth considering your specific needs. All the Amazon links are waiting for you in the description below. Number 4, Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is for drivers who want quality footage without the bulky camera setup. This thing is literally the size of a car key, which means it hides perfectly behind your rearview mirror. Other drivers won't even know it's there. Don't let the size fool you. This camera operates from -4 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit and uses a super durable 3M adhesive mount that holds firm through winter cold and summer heat. The 140-degree lens with Garmin Clarity HDR captures 1080p video that's impressively sharp. Road signs and license plates come through clearly in all lighting conditions. What really sets Garmin apart is the Vault cloud service. Videos automatically upload via Wi-Fi to secure cloud storage, so even if someone steals your camera after an accident, your footage is safe. The parking guard monitors your vehicle 24/7, and you can check on your car remotely through Live View on the Garmin Drive app. Also, at 1080p, you're not getting 4K resolution. For most situations, 1080p is plenty, but if you want maximum detail for zooming in on pleats from a distance, this might not be enough. Description box has all the links you need. Rounding out the list, number 5 is the 70M A810 4K dashcam. You're getting a dual-channel 4K front and 1080p rear setup for around $179. The Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor produces gorgeous footage in all lighting conditions. The MyColor Vivid Plus technology optimizes exposure balance and color accuracy automatically. When I tested this going in and out of tunnels during winter drives, the transitions were buttery smooth, with no lag or overexposure. The dual HDR night vision is exceptional. Both cameras capture clear video in low light, which is crucial during those long winter nights. The combination of HDR and the IMX678 sensor means you're getting usable footage even in terrible conditions. Setup is ridiculously easy thanks to the electrostatic sticker mount. It takes less than 5 minutes and leaves no sticky residue on your windshield. The loop recording automatically overwrites old footage, and there's a dedicated emergency button to lock important clips instantly, separate from the G-sensor automatic locking. You also get GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AI motion detection, and ADAS features like lane departure warnings and car behind control. That wraps up my top 5 picks for winter dash cams. Each one brings something unique to the table, whether it's premium features, 3-channel coverage, budget-friendly pricing, compact design, or unbeatable value.
Choose the one that fits your needs and budget, and drive safe out there this winter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.